A warm home feeling, large private water frontage pool, new roof in 2016 and large floor plan allow everyone to sit back enjoy this fantastic cul-de-sac location nearby to the private community boat ramp and pet-friendly parks. Welcome to Admiral Pointe. Vibrant landscaping and well-maintained exterior highlight the 3-car garage and over 1/4 acre lot. Inside, high ceilings and large transom windows in the foyer provide natural light to reveal how big this home really is. There are separate formal rooms with crown molding, perfect for the upcoming holidays, a large family room with fireplace and built-ins, nearby guest suite with water view and full bath plus a great view of the updated kitchen and dinette. The kitchen, known as the heart of the home, offers a lot of cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, window over the sink and nearby dry bar with granite, full laundry room, guest half bath and added storage closet. Take a walk up the wooden staircase and enjoy the second floor owner's suite with updated bath and private study, bonus room, loft, 3 other bedrooms and 3rd full bath. Outside, the patio is huge. There is enough room for multiple gathering tables, outdoor relaxation furniture, barbecue grill and smokers and whatever else you can imagine. You will appreciate many of the recent changes making home ownership a little more comfortable, such as easy maintenance Brazilian cherrywood laminate flooring, new pool screens in 2016 and newer pool pump. Nearby 408, 429 and Turnpike offers access to Walt Disney World, downtown Orlando and the Orlando International Airport. Oh, and let's not forget to mention nearby proximity to area hospitals.